Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for April 27th through May 9th. The pattern expected to transition from progressive pattern to a blocking and slower moving pattern by the weekend or early next week. The models ensembles are in agreement with the pattern for April 27th to May 1st with the low amplitude flow. Let me go to the models first. With the low amplitude flow across the nation, you can see we have an area below normal heights here that moves off. We have an area of below normal heights here across the western North American coast, and this slides inland. This is a GFS, and then we look at the European terministics. You can see that it depicts a fairly deep trough off the west coast, but still a low amplitude flow, and with below normal heights across southern U.S. and the east coast. And then we look at the European ensembles, pretty much the same thing. So temperatures during this forecast period, you can see this is the GFS again, and temperatures across the west, this is the across the west will be about 25 degrees above normal, and still here cool across the northeast, about 10 degrees below normal. We have 20 degrees above normal across the southern U.S., and we have an area of below normal temperatures along the west coast. Now we're going to look at the European deterministic temperature forecast, and it shows pretty much the same, little change. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting if it will speed up, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for this region, below normal temperatures from the plains to the Atlantic coast. For precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation for this area and above normal precipitation from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. Now for a look at the May 5th to the 9th period, and the models continue to depict a flat flow across the nation from May 5th to the 9th. Now one thing I want to show you here is a GFS. And now I'm stuck again. It'll come back. Okay, what I want to show you is the GFS, and this is for the 5th to the 9th. The GFS has a fairly deep trough across the eastern U.S., you can see here. And pretty much across the whole nation is in an area below normal heights, but still a relatively flat flow. We have a ridge above normal heights in the Gulf of Alaska and Alaska. But otherwise, the pattern is for below normal heights in the east. Now I want to show you this. This is the GFS, and this is the European deterministics. Sorry, or this is the European ensembles. The difference here is that the trough axis is further to the west compared to the GFS, where it's right here in the east, but the European has it further to the west. But we have above normal heights here across the coast of western North America, and an area below normal heights further out. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting little change in the temperature anomaly, but in precipitation the models were kind of like all over the place. When I was looking at this, the only thing I could find was pretty solid below normal precipitation across the southeast. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for April 27th through May 9th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.